gonna do a test drive on this. I had a 175 main and what was it, a 48 Pilot. It ran good when it was warmer. Now that we got colder, weather, it didn't want to start good. So thanks to Dirt Serpent and his advice, I jetted it up because I noticed my spark plug was white, so it's running pretty lean. So now I'm at 175 main and 52 Pilot, and it seems to be working fine so far. I'm gonna take it for a quick little test ride around the block and see how it works. All right. Okay, so I have hot cams, auto decomp cam. So where that old decompression lever was, I ended up putting a plug for it, but user error, I didn't realize there was already a rubber seal in there. So when I tried forcing that plug in there, I kind of damaged that plug a bit, so it's not sealing right. So a little bit of oil leaks out of there. So I don't want to ride it for too long right now because I got to get that fixed, order a new one. Yeah. I'm real happy with how it's coming out. When I first got it, the seller told me that it supposedly was running. I quickly found out that was a lie. Once I got it home, it wasn't starting up. Felt like it didn't want to kick over, so I figured maybe it was just a top end issue, which it ended up being, because I took the top end off. The actual what do you call that thing, the pin, I don't remember the actual name for it, but the pin that holds the piston in place was actually seized, so the piston wasn't moving how it should. So that was kind of a pain in the ass. The wrist pin, that's what it's called. I wasn't able to take it out, so I actually had to cover the motor as good as I can and use a cut wheel and cut the piston off carefully. Then I ended up putting a new waistcoat piston, new gaskets, new seals. Ended up changing the radiators, new hoses. Had to reshim the valves for when I did the hot cams, and then I also upgraded the carb to 06 yz400f carb with the throttle assembly. What else did I do to this thing? That might be it. Yeah, so I can see that's leaking a little bit. Guess I probably shouldn't be driving this thing. I think it'll run a lot better too once I get the proper gaskets for the exhaust and the connection part. Yeah, other than that, pretty happy with it. Seems like it has a good amount of power. It runs good. I can't really compare it to how it was before, because when I first got it, like I said, it wasn't running. But it's always nice getting something that wasn't running and making it work. Yeah, hopefully I get all these small little things touched up, and I'll be ready to take it to the track or the desert. Alright, this is just supposed to be a quick little video. I'm gonna try coming out with more content with me just fixing up stuff. I do have a 1986 TRX I'm gonna do a full restore on, as well as a 2001 TTR90 Yamaha that I'm actually in the process of restoring. Got new plastics, new carbs, new gas tank. So I pretty much converted the whole plastics into a TTR 110 style plastics on it. That one, I need to get a new top end, and then I'm pretty sure it should be ready to go after that, because it already has a new stator, new CDI, new coil. For the TRX, that one, it turns on, it's just it's pretty beat up. Plastics are destroyed, gas tank's fully rusted, so yeah, that one just needs to be a full restore, new brakes and everything. But yeah, hopefully I'm able to start busting out some content for everyone on here. And yeah, well, I'm out. Peace.